Welcome to class. Let us look at this interesting algebraic question, and it reads that if x plus 5 all raised to 2 equals 59, then find x plus 8 into x plus 2. Very easy. Alright, so let's just get started. So first, let's see how to expand x plus 5 raised to 2. Okay, and we have here, when we expand this should give us x squared plus 10x plus 25 then equals 59. If we were to subtract 59 from both sides, we end up having x plus 10x then plus 25 then minus 59 all equals to 0, which gives us x squared plus 10x, then this should give us minus 34 then all equals to 0. Okay, so let's do another thing here. Let's expand this expression here, and when we do, so this gives us x times x will give us x squared, then x times 2, that should give us 2x, and 8 times x should give us 8x, and 8 times 2 should give us 16. Alright, so here we have that x squared then plus 10x then plus 16. Now do you notice something here? Here we have x squared plus 10x, and the same is applicable here. Okay, so we just need to do is, from this point, let's make x squared plus 10x the subject of relation. X squared plus 10x equals 34. Okay, so which implies that x squared plus 10x equals 34. So let us plug in 34 here, so which then gives us 34 then plus 16, which gives us what? 50. So x plus 8 into x minus 2 equals 50. Final answer. Alright, please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.